what's up guys, I'm Geekisa. In today's video, I'll say you about how to do clone effects of ourselves in editing and simple tricks with which we can do clone effects very easily. If you have forgot me who I am, I have introduced my name already. My name is Geekisai. Without further ado, let's get started. The main part is we need a tripod like this. I did not extend the tripod to the its certain level, but you can adjust your size because after recording I closed the tripod. This is my tripod. It's Amazon Basics 50-inch tripod. The main thing of this is we need exposure composition should be locked. Open your video editing application. Mine in this case I'll use Master. I'll open the application and then click on this plus icon, click on empty project. For this we need tripod. As I shown you earlier, we should record everything in tripod. Now then go to where you have recorded. You should record video like this, the main clip of the video. Before I have shown you some of the videos, I'll show you the main video. This, while recording the video, the exposure compensation should be equal. There should not be a change in the video. For that, we should record first some minutes of the video from the one side, that's from left side, and go back outside of the frame for 2 or 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and then come back to the frame in another side. Now I'll remove the unwanted parts. I have come here, I'll remove trim left to playhead. Then from here I'm walking, I'll cut here over like this space playhead. Then I'll move it right up to here, from where I'll come here. Also I need to cut. I'll cut trim to right playhead, and you have to click over this and click on this and click on duplicate as player. Push it over to the left side, and you can trim the video up to the length of this video, and you can delete a media layer of this video. It will not show the exact, it won't look exact if you place over like this. For this you should click over this split screen option and click like this and correctly adjust the position of the video. Now you can see the two persons are in the same frame, that is me. Now just I'll play the video. The video is playing. The acting, I am not a good at acting, simply acted like simple. Then you can add songs over here, like some songs, copyright free songs. Then I don't want, and click on export to export. For this mainly we need a tripod. Before only I have shown you the tripod that's very cheap, that is 800 to 900. You can buy, or somebody who holds a phone very stable can record over this. With the tripod the video comes nice. The important thing is the exposure value should not change. If you use camera like open camera, you can lock the exposure content. Okay guys, this is me, Geeky Sai, signing off for the moment. Have a nice day. I will play the video once again from MX Player. The video is playing. I did not add any audio, simply the video is going right over here. That's all guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.